Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Mailchimp sign-up form. This is incredibly useful if you're reaching audiences in different languages and want to make sure your sign-up process is accessible to everyone. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account, so click on Sign In and enter your credentials to get started. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where all your campaigns and audience management tools live. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the Audience tab. This is where you manage all your subscriber information and forms. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Audience Dashboard. This gives you an overview of your current audience and the tools available to manage them effectively. Now, under the Audience Dashboard, click on Manage Audience. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for handling your subscriber lists. From this menu, click on Sign Up Forms. You'll see a list of form options, so scroll down until you find Form Builder and select it. The Form Builder is where all the magic happens for customizing your sign-up forms. Inside the Form Builder, look for the sub-menu labeled Translate It. This is the feature that allows you to create multilingual versions of your sign-up form, making it accessible to subscribers who speak different languages. Click on it to access the translation settings. Here's where you have two options. You can click on the Auto Translate checkbox, which will automatically translate your form into a language you select. This is a quick and efficient way to set a default language for your sign-up forms without manually translating every single field. Simply choose your preferred language from the available options, and Mailchimp will handle the rest. Alternatively, if you want more control over the translation, you can customize each required field individually. This allows you to ensure the tone and wording match your brand perfectly, giving you full flexibility over how your form appears in different languages. And there you have it, your Mailchimp sign-up form is now translated and ready to welcome subscribers in multiple languages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.